In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change language in Hunter Call of the Wild. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on the most convenient method to change the language for this game. Keep in mind that for this method, you will need to own the game on Steam. So if you own the game outside of Steam, this method will not work for you. I apologize. So, in this video, you will be able to change the language of Hunter Call of the Wild between any of these: English, French, German, Portuguese, Russian, Spanish, Czech, Polish, Chinese, and Japanese. So the entirety of the game will be changed alongside the interface and the subtitles. The audio is only available in English, however. So to do this, open Steam and find Hunter Call of the Wild. You will notice that I'm going to be demonstrating this process with Monster Hunter. Sadly, I don't own Hunter Call of the Wild on this account. I apologize, but regardless, the process is the same. Right-click the game, go over to Properties, and immediately upon clicking on the properties for a Hunter Call of the Wild or any other game, you will be able to see the language option. So all that you have to do is choose it here and change between any of the available languages. Usually, Steam doesn't even have to download anything, but if it does, it is going to be extremely quickly because it's just a language pack, and after you change the language here, it is going to be saved, and you are now ready to run the game, and everything will be reflected. So all of the menus, subtitles if there are any, and everything that you browse through. So when you go into the cache, storage, your loadout, etc. The game is going to be available in all of the languages that I mentioned, and like I said, this is going to work if you own the game on Steam. If you own it outside of Steam, then you will have to look into alternative methods that sadly I cannot show in this video. This might also work for the Epic Games Store, and the process should be similar. So you find the game, you go into the properties, and see the option to change the language. I hope I was able to help you on how to change language in Hunter Call of the Wild. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.